momentum.
Oh, TY. Oh no.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Franklin County, Ohio, northwestern Pickaway County, southeastern Madison County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mount Sterling.
Where's this for?
At 40 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
I am lucky as crap. Oh god, that was close.
Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Columbus, Grove City, Upper Arlington,
Works under it.
Ohio State University, Lake Darby, Grandview Heights, Lobetz, Urban Crest, Valley View, Marble Cliff, Harrisburg, Orion, Derby, Lily Chapel, Georgiaville, Madison Lake, Darbydale, Big Plain, and Wrightsville. This includes the following interstates: I-70 in Ohio between mile markers 90 and 101. I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 83 and 108. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
What was that? Oh.
Please report previous tornadoes, wind damage, or hail to the National Weather Service.
Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for.
I don't think I'm under that TY, but let me go look at the shape.